The Dark Side of AI, What No One is Talking About, Part 2. In the first part, we explored how artificial intelligence can shape our thoughts, twist information, and slowly take control of our choices. But that's only half the story. Because while AI is influencing what we think, it's also watching, quietly collecting more data about us than any human system ever could. Welcome to the next layer of the dark side: surveillance, control, and the new AI-driven economy. 1. Surveillance, the eyes that never blink. Every second, somewhere in the world, an AI is watching. Not in a sci-fi sense, but through security cameras, phones, apps, and even smart home devices. AI has given governments and corporations something they've always wanted: perfect vision. Facial recognition systems can now track people across cities in real time. Voice assistants can recognize who's speaking in a crowded room. Even traffic cameras can follow a single car across hundreds of miles. These technologies were created for safety, to catch criminals, stop fraud, or find missing people. But in the wrong hands, they can become tools of control. Some countries already use AI-powered systems to monitor citizens' behavior, tracking what they say online, where they go, and who they meet. Every movement is analyzed, scored, and stored. It's a system that rewards obedience and punishes dissent, and it's powered entirely by artificial intelligence. The more we connect our lives to smart systems, the more data we give away, not always by choice, but by convenience. We trade privacy for comfort. We trade freedom for speed. And once those systems are in place, they're almost impossible to turn off. 2. Data is the new oil of the digital age. AI runs on one thing: data. Every search you make, every photo you upload, every second you spend watching a video, it's all fuel for the machine. Companies collect billions of data points every day, training algorithms to understand human behavior at a level we can't even imagine. They know what you like before you do. They know what you might buy next week, who you'll message tomorrow, and even what kind of mood you're in right now. This data is then sold, analyzed, and fed into AI models that create predictions, not just about you, but about society as a whole. The scary part? You don't own any of it. Once your data is collected, it can live forever, copied, shared, and used in ways you'll never know. In the world of AI, privacy isn't lost all at once. It's taken one small data point at a time, until one day there's nothing to protect. 3. Deepfakes, when reality becomes optional. The rise of AI-generated content has created a new weapon: deepfakes. At first, they seemed harmless: funny videos, movie parodies, creative experiments. But now, deepfakes are being used to spread lies, commit fraud, and destroy reputations. A deepfake video can make a world leader announce a fake declaration of war. It can make a CEO appear to commit a crime. It can even trick family members into sending money to fake voices of loved ones. In 2024, there were already dozens of cases where scammers used AI-generated voices to steal money, copying tone, emotion, and breathing perfectly. Victims couldn't tell the difference. And this is just the beginning. Soon, anyone with a computer will be able to make videos so realistic that truth and fiction become impossible to separate. In a world where seeing is no longer believing, trust itself becomes the first casualty. When we can't trust what we see, chaos follows. and that chaos can be used to control us. 4. The economic earthquake. AI isn't just changing how we think, it's changing how we work. Automation has always replaced jobs. Machines replaced farmers, then factory workers, then office staff. But AI is different. This time, it's not just physical jobs, it's creative, analytical, and professional ones. Writers, designers, coders, marketers, even lawyers, AI can now do parts of their jobs faster and cheaper. And companies are noticing. At first, AI was seen as a helper. Now it's becoming a replacement. Whole industries are being restructured as machines learn to handle complex tasks once done by humans. Some experts believe that within a decade, hundreds of millions of jobs could be affected. And while new jobs will be created, they may not appear fast enough or pay enough to replace the old ones. The result? A growing gap between those who control the AI and those replaced by it. For the first time in history, progress may no longer lift everyone up equally. It may divide us into a world of those who train the machines and those trained by them. 5. The new digital divide. In the early days of the internet, people talked about the digital divide, the gap between those with access to technology and those without. AI is creating a new version of that divide, one that's deeper and more dangerous. Those who understand AI, who build and control it, will hold enormous power, political, financial, and social. They'll own the algorithms that decide what people see, buy, and believe. Meanwhile, the rest of the world becomes data labor, producing information, habits, and behaviors that feed those same systems. It's a cycle where a few benefit and billions simply participate. Unless AI becomes more accessible, this new divide could shape the future of nations, with rich AI economies rising while others fall behind. 6. Addiction to efficiency. There's another side to the economic problem: our obsession with efficiency. AI promises to make everything faster, cheaper, and more productive, but in chasing perfection, we might be losing something deeply human. Every recommendation, every optimization, every automated task, it's all designed to save time. But when everything becomes efficient, life becomes predictable. We stop struggling, and with it, we stop growing. We start to measure success not by meaning, but by output. And in doing so, we risk creating a world that's incredibly fast, but emotionally empty. This addiction to speed and efficiency doesn't just affect companies, it changes culture. It teaches us that if something can't be optimized, it's not worth doing. But not everything human can be measured. Love, creativity, kindness, none of these fit neatly into a data model. And if we forget that, AI won't just replace our jobs, it'll replace our values. 7. The silent war for control. Behind all of this, the surveillance, the data, the automation, there's a silent competition taking place, a race for AI dominance. Nations are investing billions to build the smartest, fastest, most powerful AI systems. Whoever controls the most advanced AI will control the future, from global markets to military power. But the real danger isn't that one side wins. It's that in this race, ethics and safety are being left behind. When speed matters more than responsibility, mistakes happen. And in AI, a single mistake can scale globally in seconds. We've already seen small AI errors cause stock market crashes, traffic disasters, and social media chaos. Imagine what happens when those systems control defense networks or financial systems. In our rush to make AI stronger,
we might be creating something we can't fully control. And history has shown us every tool humans invent eventually shapes its creator. AI is transforming every part of modern life, how we work, how we live, and how we see the world. But beneath the surface lies a quiet revolution, one built on control, surveillance, and inequality. In the final part, we'll uncover the deepest layer of this transformation, the rise of AI weapons, power concentration, and the question of who controls the future of humanity. If you've made it this far, leave a comment saying AI Reality Check. And don't forget to like and subscribe for Part 3, The Future We Can Still Choose.